boss up, baby? It's your boy K. We back with another great video talking about drop shipping today and places to find items to drop ship. I'm actually going to go through a whole drop shipping course, start to finish, how to find the perfect product, where to get the perfect product from, how to list it on e-commerce stores like Shopify, and using this can translate into government contracting because the government, like I said earlier in other videos, they buy everything. The government does not produce anything. They have to buy it from other places, whether it's the federal government, your local government, state, county, local school system. They have to outsource their own products. So you can source them from China, from other places, Amazon, Walmart, and sell them to the government. It's that easy. So that's pretty much drop shipping to the government, or you can drop ship to B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to customer. So that's the biggest way to get paid now in the digital age, finding products, getting it from China or other sources, and shipping it direct to your customer. You don't have to maintain any inventory. You don't have to have products sitting in your house or office or home or anything. Ships from one place straight to the customer, and you collect the profits in the middle. That's what we call middlemaning in government contracting. That's what we call drop shipping here in the business sector. So let's get into it. All right, so we are on the website. This is where you're going to go and find your products to drop ship. Well, one of the places you're going to go to find your products to drop ship. We're going to go to facebook.com/ads library. Of course, you want to have a Facebook account to actually search this, and then go to facebook.com/ads/library. Easy Google search to pull this website up. Once you come here, you'll see it say ad library. You can go here to say search ads. So these are the ads that other people that do drop shipping are putting out there. We're going to find some popular ads. The ads are popular. That means people are looking at them, people are buying the product, and it's something you probably want to sell as well. So ad library, search ads, go to United States, boop, or you can go to all, but best to do United States. That's where you're going to be selling it from mostly. Go to all ads, but you can do, different stuff, but go to all ads. And then type product finds. So we're trying to find some products. So here's some active ads from January 3rd, very recent. This is a organizer of sorts. Like a lot of people doing that one. Here's some art ads, some paint. All right, so here are some good ones. Here are these car humidifiers. I like these. I'm going to write this one down. Car air humidifiers. Looks like a pretty cool product. Let's see what else we can find. We got some kitchen stuff, some ads, some t-shirts, some dolls, some jewelry. Let's say tech finds. Anything on the tech? Not really. Let's try home goods. All right, so here's some cups, here's some furniture, here's some high ticket items that people are running ads for, some artwork, some cups, a lot of mugs for the kitchen, some containers, here's a blanket. So you got kind of ideas of what people are promoting and selling. Next, we're going to use TikTok, and we're going to use the phrase. You can go from your phone and do it, or you can do it from the PC like I am and go to search and say TikTok made me buy it. Once we see TikTok made me buy it, 2024, 2023, you can kind of see some of the products. Here's one. You kind of want to find stuff that's less than 6 months old. If it's older than that, that means it's already been saturated. People have bought it who want to buy it. It's oversaturated. But here's one that's from 12/23. It's a projector. Looks good. Now these has a lot more products. A lot more. So this pocket vacuum. It looks pretty cool. That can go with the car. So you kind of want to start building a niche. So I found a car humidifier, and here's a pocket vacuum. So I can kind of start my store around car products and stuff to make your car clean. So I think that's the niche I'm going to go with. So I'm going to write this one down as well. Pocket vacuum. Here's some TVs, some films. Here's another vacuum for your car. A little light. Black light finder. Wine pour. Here's something else for your car. Little cups. Ooh, what does that do? Oh, a little ashtray. Okay, that's really cool. I'm definitely gonna try that one right there. So I got three products I can research right now. We got the whatever this little cup thing is, and air freshener and everything like that. All right. So once we got the stuff what we want to sell, then we can go to Shopify or Big Cartel, or you can start an eBay store, wherever you kind of store. Etsy, there are all kind of stores. Shopify is probably the best as far as stuff where you can connect from Shopify and this other website called AliExpress. So AliExpress and Shopify work together. You can connect and find the products. So let's see if we can find that car vacuum cleaner. So here's all the car vacuum cleaners here. We got one that's $4, $22. Now, the shipper and where it's coming from makes a big difference. So AliExpress has some American vendors and sellers, but you're going to get the best prices for shopping overseas, preferably China. So, but you want to have somebody with a good record so you can see shipping from US, vacuum cleaners. You can go to pricing. You can even do reviews, 5 star and up. So you make sure you pick the right person. And you want to build a relationship with your shipper. You want to message them, make sure they reply quickly, make sure they have good ratings. And then once you negotiate a good price, make sure you ask for the price shipped. So you want how much it's going to cost to ship the item to the customer all in, not how much it is just per unit. You need it per shipping so you know how much it is. And if you're buying bulk units, if you're going to start government contracting, you're buying bulk units, you want to know how much it is per unit. You can get a discount for multiple units, but for drop shipping, just for you to your customer, you're only going to use one product. And that's a good thing about AliExpress, which is different from Alibaba. They're the same company, but AliExpress is more for one-off purchases, one-time pieces, and Alibaba is more for large quantities. So I got a different couple of vacuum cleaners. I got to really gotta go through these, make sure you find the right one with the right rating. Here's 34 sold, 160 sold. So I like this one. It sold a lot, so it means they're shipping good. This one sold 2,000, but the price is a little bit higher than I want to sell it for. So you got to kind of do your research, know what your price point is, know how much people are willing to spend for these things. So for instance here, the vacuum cleaner. Where's the other one I saw? Here it is, pocket vacuum. Hey, 5 for 17, sale for 3.99. So they got the game. They teach you how to do drop shipping as well on this page here. So this is a great product. Could be oversaturated though, but it looks like a great product, great profit. They've been selling it since July, so it's over 6 months old. So I probably wouldn't pick this particular one, but I'll probably find some newer version. It has a little cool feature, maybe some neon lights to it, maybe a different color to it, kind of speak more sale. Yeah, so this one is 17.99. So you'll go here and see if we can find one around that price. That $17 price. That looks like that could be it. Or this one right here looks like it could be it. They got it for even cheaper. Oh, never mind. That's so it's $5 and plus $11 shipping. So that come up to around that $17 price. And then you come back to your Shopify store here and load the product up. Boom. It's that simple. You can just simply copy and paste everything from here. The listing, the title, everything. Just copy and paste it right to your Shopify store, Etsy store, whatever store you come up with, and make it real easy. Publish, and then you're on your way to drop shipping. It's that easy. Now that you found the product, you've got it sourced, you know where you're going to get it from consistently so you can get it to your customers. You got your store set up, but now you got to have your customers know where to buy it, know that you have a store. So one way to do that is with Facebook ads. So just like we saw these people running ads for there and how we found products based off of other people running ads, you can go into Facebook, run your ads very easily with a Facebook account. I'm going to do a longer form video on how to actually properly run ads, but just give you all an example of what to do. Another way is TikTok. You can come to AliExpress, take one of these videos, load them up to TikTok, do a green screen voice over it, talk about it, have your face looking in it, so it makes connects you with the video and connects you with the buyer. And if they like the video, they're going to click on it. And that's why they say TikTok make me buy it, because we all know if you haven't bought something for TikTok, you know somebody who has. People are buying these products, and all this little stuff comes from China. There's these little cheap products that people like that may tear up in a couple of days or not, but they buy it, they're satisfied, they're happy. And if you can make a fun, engaging video, people will buy the product. Okay. And also you got Google ads you can run. Shopify has a built-in ad platform for marketing you can do as well. Okay. But if you don't use Shopify, like I said, you use Etsy, eBay, all those platforms has marketing tools where they market to customers as well. But TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook are the top places to run ads, to put videos. You can make your own video and put your link to your store in the comment section and start making money. All right. So this is a drop shipping video as well as a government contracting video, because you can do the same thing. Instead of drop shipping to a customer, you can come to AliExpress or Alibaba, buy a bunch of products and drop shipping to the government, to the Department of Defense, whoever needs items. All right, man. Continue to boss up out here. We're getting at the 9 to 5 rat race in 2024 with government contracting, with passive income ideas like drop shipping. Once you set your store up, once you connect everything, the most you're doing is just checking your account and making sure that the shipper has the products on hand. All right. All right, man. Till next time. If you need more information about drop shipping, leave a comment below. I'm gonna do some more drop shipping videos. If something you're interested in, and leave a comment of what city and states you're in, because I'm always still finding gig apps, courier position for you guys, different side hustles that may be in your area that's not in other areas, or maybe in your country that's not in the U.S. All right, man. Leave a chat, talk to me, holler at me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm out. Boss up.